Hello, Ms. Bass here with your instructions for today. Today we're introducing our new chapter, Chapter 1B. And the first thing you're going to do, as usual, is your attendance, and then you will find your video right here, the one that I'm recording right now. And for your actividad inicial, you're going to work on this activity. So this activity is in SpanishSpanish.com, and it's about agreement. So you're going to use these two expressions, things that you need to keep in mind. That you need to use special characters that you see here, and you can find them here. So your answer is going to turn green. Once your answers turn green, or most of them, I don't know, then you're going to click submit, and there's going to be the score. This time, I need you to take the screenshot of the score with the activity. I won't be taking just the score because I need to see that it corresponds to the activity that I'm assigning. And some of you are sending me only the score. So I won't take only the score. It needs to be with part of the activity or the whole activity, whatever is best for you. That said, let's move to the next thing. By the way, I put the information right here. If you need it, you don't have it saved to log in just in case that you are requested to put it in. And the next thing we're going to do, I have these notes for adjectives right here because I wasn't able to insert this image there. But I have this that explains about the adjectives, and with that, we also have this video that I recorded from the book that is gonna talk to you about adjectives. So it's basically the same. We are learning about adjectives. And there's very important things that you need to keep in mind when talking about adjectives, that there are words that describe nouns. The nouns have a gender. They are either masculine or feminine words, even with things. And yes, it's something that in English is probably like, what? Because it's easier with people and it's easier with animals than it is with things. You cannot really say what is masculine and what is feminine, but it happens in Spanish. And you just learn the words. So here is telling you how you need to match the masculine forms of the adjectives with the masculine nouns and the feminine forms of the adjectives with the feminine nouns. And we're going to be working on that. Then you have an activity here that you're going to do in Edpuzzle. You just need to click on the link and it should take you directly to the video and the activity that you're going to do. So it should be right there. Okay. Here I put the new vocabulary so you can study. That's your new vocabulary. It has the words in English and these words that have the O at the end and then an A next to it. That means that those words have to change from masculine to feminine. They are words that don't have it, and that means that this word, works for both masculine and feminine forms. I will be going deeper on this during the class, so that's why it's so important that you connect. So I can explain, and if you have any questions, because it can be a little confusing because it's not the same in English and Spanish. I put the vocabulary nuevo in the slides also, so you have an illustration of the adjectives. And finally, you have a Quizlet that you can practice on. So that's what we're doing today. And by the end of this class, you need to have your activity for the warm-up, the actividad inicial, and then you need to have your Edpuzzle. And the rest, we're going to be working together, and then you practice the Quizlet. And that's it. That's all that we have for today. And I expect that everybody connects so I can help you with whatever questions or doubts that you have. So, see you in class. Hasta pronto.